Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show to you the part 3 of my services to Ma'am Nerissa resident. This one po. So near kitchen. So I'm gonna replace the horizontal outlet to a new one because there is something wrong, loose connection. Sometimes the load, the gadget that they use, it will on and off. So we're gonna replace the old outlets. This one what happened. So I'm gonna jumper the new outlet so that it will travel on the other side, because this is 2 gang, so it means 2 outlet on one slot. So I use long nose so that I'm gonna connect it into the other side, just like this. You need patience. So that one, that was an appearance after I remove the old outlet. So I'm gonna make a extension wire so that I can hard to connect it to the new outlet. So that was a 2 gang outlet, a new outlet that I installed, and I make it test it by detector light, so that the detector light measure the 220 volts. If it will glow brightness bright, so it will mean it is a 220 volts AC. So individually low brightness, it means 110 individual. So that was 2, so that was a 220 volts AC. That was a successful connection. That was a successful connection. Thank you so much, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas.